How to add a video to Shopify store. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add video to Shopify store. So let's get it started. First of all, you can go to products and then you can check out your file sections from here, but for now, first of all, you have to go to your online store, and then you can see this three dot icon here. You have to tap onto it, then tap onto edit code, and at the search for featured options. So let me just find it out, the featured options. Let me find out featured. So here you can see these features. Now you just have to tap onto add custom, add a new sections. Now you can add a custom.liquid, then you can just save it up, then tap onto done, and after it is added, just click delete this text and just copy this whole text here, then paste it up, then you have to save it up. Just save up the logo. Now here you can see the source, so let me show you. You have to head over to your products and you have to tap onto plus. Okay, let me find the option. From this content section here, you can see this files option. Just tap onto files and upload the video that you wish to upload. For now, I'm going to use a previously made video here. You can just tap onto upload files and upload your file and copy the link, then head over to your online store again, and then you have to tap on the three dot icon, tap onto edit code and search for the featured file that we just created. Where is the, is this, no, not this one, this one is not also. So let's say create liquid again, GGHH, then I'm gonna done, and then you have to cut the thing. You have to paste the link. Okay, first of all, let me paste the link here so that I can find it easily. Now you have to copy the link, you have to paste it all over here, then you have to delete it, paste the link, then copy this link, the files link, then copy it up, and then here on the paste link here, you just have to paste it up. For both of them, just choose it up. Let me just choose it up, and then you have to paste the link, and then you have to save it up. So that's it. This is how we can do it. As you can see, my video has been saved. You can just also choose the height and width from here. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video.